we're recording, we're recording.
Cool.
Hey guys, welcome back. Sebastian did want to say a very big apology for us not... What the fuck? We're back. Okay, this is more realistic. Sebastian did want to apologize for the fact that we haven't done a vlog in a while.
5 months.
Sorry. He feels really bad about it. I don't feel so bad about it because we're really busy doing our main channel content. We've also been really busy preparing for a huge change in our lives. We are moving to America. We've been preparing for the move for 2 years, and so in the past couple of months everything's come to a head. We found out that we're able to move and we've been preparing, so that's why we haven't been able to do vlogs. But Sebastian's going to be very dedicated to this channel.
Very dedicated.
So yeah, we're moving. That's our big news. We've known since January that it was able to definitely happen, and we've been packing up our house ever since.
Woo, woo.
Things have been really hectic since we found out we're moving. We're gonna sell all of our stuff, even our beloved car. We love our car, so if anyone wants to buy an Audi A5,
DM us.
really? I don't know how we're gonna sell a car in 3 weeks. Anyways, I've got to pick and choose which makeup I want to take. It's gonna be tough. So today we really wanted to make that huge announcement. We've also got a couple of appointments. We've got a meeting, and then we've got to go to the dentist because obviously we're moving, so our dentist here is like frantically trying to finish off our dental plans. We both have Invisalign, and so there's really only 3 weeks to set it all up. So that's what we're gonna do, and we thought we'd bring you along. So we've come into Darling Harbour for our meeting, grabbed a coffee because I'm hella tired, and the guy is so nice, he gave us a free muffin. Isn't that nice? He remembered us from last time.
This is a good muffin.
Thank you. He's happy.
Love muffins.
I feel really tired today, so I hope this wakes me up. Thank you, sir. See you later.
See ya. See ya. It is really bright out here.
It's hot, man.
Yeah?
It's only 9:30 and it's blazing.
Cheers for hot coffee.
Yeah, thanks.
Guys, we just finished the appointment that we just had.
It was just with the accountant, so it was boring, but it went way over time.
Meaning that we cannot have lunch because we'll be late for our next appointment, which is actually at DFY Dental. Chloe's getting her Invisalign checked.
But anyway, thinking about it now, it's probably better that we don't have lunch because otherwise I'd have food all in my teeth, and that's...
No bueno, that's what it is.
nasty.
Guys, just got to DFY Dental, and look who we found. It's Jax.
She might be getting her braces off today.
Hopefully.
Fingers crossed.
Fingers crossed.
Everything's crossed.
Oh no, bye.
Alright, we'll talk soon.
See you later. We're just in the room all the way at the back.
Hey, how are you?
Straight ahead. Feel straight from the back.
But when you're looking from
Yeah.
it's not good.
That's amazing. Hi there.
Hey dog, how you
How are
doing?
you? I'm good.
Just doing some vlogging today, I hope you don't mind.
No worries. How you going there, Chloe? I've seen you for a little while.
Chloe has perfect teeth, basically. This is what my mouth looks like. I've come a long way.
Really, your teeth have come a really long way.
Yeah, so those are my teeth, guys.
Wow.
Yeah, I know, right?
That's how they're gonna look.
So a big difference from there.
Wow.
Whoa, let me see. That's how they were,
Whoa.
and this is how they're gonna be. That is a huge difference.
More stuff done after that.
So Chloe has 2 more retainers to go, and I have 5 more retainers to go. So I'm really excited about that.
It's hilarious though.
I love this thing. I'm taking this, okay? That's mine
Thank you
now.
so much. Okay, so I've got to dash back before we go to LA to get wires on the back of my teeth, and I felt really bad because they were really pushing to squeeze me in. They said they're gonna have to pull some favors. I feel terrible, but we'll get there.
We're hungry, so we're gonna get something to eat. We love to come to this place called Mama Zeta's here in Zetland. I think it's like a Latin cuisine. So
is nice.
This is very nice.
We never sit outside here.
No.
It's always taken.
I'm gonna get this huevos grandes. It means big eggs. Guys, the food is finally here. I'm starving. Here it is. Look at that beauty. That basically looks like an Australian breakfast, except that this has chorizo, as you can see. And Chloe got a chicken sandwich with cheese on top. That looks delicious. Alright, well, time to eat. I am stuffed.
You didn't eat your tomato. Don't hate the tomato.
Alright, so we just got home not too long ago. We're just gonna get ready for the gym real quick. Let's put it on, shall we? Oof, easy. And we're ready to go, right?
Yeah, I'm gonna take my coffee with me though.
Where are you gonna put it?
In the car. We'll just drink it in the
I
car.
thought we were going on the bikes. We're going on the bikes, not the car.
Oh. Yeah, no, I can't take it then. Give me 5 minutes.
Chloe just got these brand new shoes a couple weeks ago. Woof, sexy. That little head.
That little noggin. Still works. Whipping the babies out. I don't really ride these as much as we should.
I do.
Well, I ride it quite a bit, but generally they're quite difficult to get out of the storage cage, so I've got to wait for my strong bae to get them out for me. Don't forget your helmet. Great.
And guess what? I've actually installed a little mirror for you so you can look around.
Yay!
Cool, right?
Where's my cup holder though?
You didn't buy one. I have a cup holder if you want to put it in mine. I love my case. It's called the Quad Lock. You basically buy this little apparatus. You just like swivel it on there and then just clicks in.
Gee, that's nifty.
It's so nifty. I bought her one, but she doesn't use it.
Oh, I should have brought my case.
Shoulda, woulda, coulda. Switching it on. Are you ready? Wow, you look so good.
Fuck!
She almost smashed it. You made it alive, eh?
Yeah. It was busy. The roadblock.
Yeah. Did you bring the key for the lock?
What?
The lock key.
I didn't
So,
do anything else.
I thought you had the key. I love to prank Chloe. It's the best thing. Okay, so we started working out. I'm doing some deadlifts, and Chloe's doing some deadlifts as well. It's really full in here, so I feel kind of uncomfortable filming, but I'll do my best. I'll do my best. See what I mean? Like, it's just completely full. It's really perfect because the Rocky song is actually playing as she's doing the workout. Excellent motivation. So let me just say, Chloe worked out way harder than me, way harder. Yeah, we're just gonna go home and call it a night, probably watch some Netflix and that's it. But we'll keep you posted with the move and everything, and I'll try to do more vlogs, I promise. Cool? All right, well, see you later.